Good afternoon. 1:48 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is what it is. Today's date, though, is 1/9, called January 9th. And what do we have before us? Abercrombie and Fitch. This is a 3-minute chart to let you see the breakout. And they came out with some news. And what was the news? Well, listen. The retail sector has been beat down. So what Abercrombie and Fitch has done very well is give guidances that were down in previous quarters so that they could meet or beat the estimates when releasing those reports. The main thing for you to do is the following, is to understand what a great move that we're going to get out of Abercrombie and Fitch. That's a 3-minute bar, and that thing is shooting to the moon. So, once again, it was driven event related because the company is taking up their guidance. So just let me show the price right here. ANF. Here it is. And we can clearly see that we closed at 32.92 the day before. Today's low was 32.43. With that super gap now printing at $38, as we can see right here very clearly in the after hours print. One of the things that we would like to inform you on is the following. StockMarketFunding.com. Go to the trading tab, sign up right here, get a free 5-day trial. Do you want to be involved in the next bull market? If the answer is yes, click on the free trial tab, read the content, get started today. Remember, all your questions will be answered at that point in time. If you want to open an account, you can. And when you do open the account, click on the account tab, listen to the video, click get started today. If your account balances are below 25,000, you have the pattern day trading rule that you have to deal with, and you know what I'm talking about. That means it takes money to make money at the end of the day. I don't care what anyone says. And you deserve that opportunity right now. And not only do you deserve it, this is the kind of capital that we're willing to give you. Not only are we willing to give you that money, but we have a new program that we're launching for 2014. And that program is that a lot of people who got burnt in stock markets over the years can come back and get involved in the bull. Everybody knows what it is. Watch the video and read the content down here. That's all you got to do. We have the best execution systems. And once again, go to the trading tab, and here's what you get. You'll have all of our live analysis here. You can type and go. You can go over here to services, get down here to HFT, high frequency trading courses. Wake up, please. Please wake up so that you know what you're dealing with. But nonetheless, you have all the opportunities in the world right here. And the live analysis remains here. Okay, on everything we did. Look at Bed Bath & Beyond. They got creamed yesterday, and we have that video right here on 1/8 in after hours. Now, we were trading the earnings season on Bed Bath & Beyond. That has a different effect than what Abercrombie and Fitch is doing here right now. So this is the price. I will pull that out of the way on a 3-minute level, and we're going to get down into this daily chart right now. Okay? And basically, what we would like to show you is where Abercrombie and Fitch, right over here, when they missed earnings before, you can see, and I'll draw a trend line straight across the bottom here. There you go. And this is where that is, right here. So what are we going to do is, now that we have signaled that, we're going to draw a horizontal line. It's very simple, so that you can see. That's where the gap down was. Here's another trend line. So what that means is, right now on this daily chart, Abercrombie and Fitch is going to gap up in the morning. And right now, the print is exactly $38. That's a huge move. Okay? It is huge right now here. So we're going to buy the pullbacks on it, but most importantly, what we are going to do is show you where that gap is going to be filled. It's going to be filled right in here. And right now, we are gapping up. So this is where the print is. This is where that gap down was right here now. Okay? So let us know one thing about clarity, that this is the distance from that gap down in our last report. Remember, MMTs, that this is printing right now at 38.27. Therefore, that gap open up in the morning, and you can learn. Yeah, you can. You need to know how to deal with the earnings on a quarterly level. And we're here to help you do that. Not only are we here to help you do that, our market making team will be giving you live entries and exits. And not only that, you can spend that 5-day free trial, and you will know that Abercrombie and Fitch has taken their estimates down. The shorts are on it big. They're going to get squeezed on that opening bell and or in the morning during the pre-market phase. What I would like to show before Abercrombie and Fitch came out is that we had put an all-out bulletin, retail sector overviews, what they have done for the last year. Okay, and you can see the time here. That was 142, and not only that, that was before Abercrombie and Fitch news had hit. But what we are telling our trader network around the world is that most of these retail stocks have been left for dead. Look at what happened to Family Dollar. Like I said, Bed Bath and Beyond. Look at there. I mean, basically Urban Outfitters. You got Decker in here. You got lots of them in here now. Sears Holdings. We cover the whole group. Walmart. We know exactly what they had to say. Oh boy, better yet, Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness. Let's also take a look at some of these other ones down here. You had RAD, you had Walgreens in there, you had Costco. Remember, Costco's been a great runner. Boy, has it been a great stock in year 2013. Now remember that every one of them have done the following. Every one of these names. Look at PetSmart. They report today after the close. PSMT, PriceSmart. Now, let's just take a look at Abercrombie and Fitch. That is a good indicator that when you learn the mechanics, how to trade the earnings and understand what they mean, and understanding how to go back, look at other prior guidances up or down, and there becomes a point in time where we hit bottoms. So we are going to see how Abercrombie and Fitch, which is a great retailer, but the consumer was missing, because I can show you here, not that long ago, that this is where Abercrombie and Fitch traded, was up here. It was over $80 a share, for crying out loud. And back in the day, up here, 2007 tops, they took a nosedive, and that was a swan all the way down. So, having said that, we will just take a look right here at this particular part of what this high was. So, we can see clearly here where this last reversal high was. That's at $52 there. Then this is where the stock had gotten into a lot of trouble, and a lot of other retailers did as well. This time frame back here was 220, February 20th of 2013. Now, we're in the month of January, going into February, so when we kind of scroll over here, we can see that it had made a bottom and rallied up here. That's at $50. So let's let you see that right there. Now let's scroll on over here. Look what they did here. And look at how that top was put in. Then they had some more bad news on Abercrombie and Fitch. They did, and you had a gap down, and the price is going to challenge that gap. We're going to come right in here right now. Yes, we are. And not only that, let's just slide all the way over here You can see right here, this is a part that you want to know about. That is where it was. And there's a lot of upside. What the upside guidance is, we'll go over that with the rest of the MMTs. We're doing a special retail view again. And we have sent out what sectors are going to do what companies have guided down, which ones are going to meet estimates or beat. So get involved in a free 5-day trial and let's start trading some retail stocks, that is.